How to fix character AI not loading. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, head over to your Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of character AI application. Simply search for character AI, and then if there is an update button over here, simply tap on update and update it to its latest version. The next step is to head over to settings, then go to apps and find character AI. After you have found it, go to its storage section and then tap on clear data and clear cache. So this will solve your problem. Also make sure you have the stable internet connection for faster loading. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.